Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the whole world was waiting for the speech of US President Donald Trump. And obviously, Donald Trump, as a president, he addressed many issues. But from the perspective of a trader, the most important issue that he addressed was the interest rate. And because of which we can see there was a big green candle on the chart of gold and dollar is under pressure. Gold steady underpinned by Trump's call for lower US interest rate. Dollar set for sharp weekly decline. Gold advance on Trump remark. Gold rose above 2770 per ounce on Friday, reaching its highest level since October, just shy of his record high of 2790 after President Trump called for an immediate reduction in interest rate. This was the most important event for us because immediate reduction in interest rate means pressure will be on the chart of DXY. If there is a pressure on the chart of DXY, what we will see? We will see upside on the chart of gold. So right now, fundamentally, gold is bullish. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, continue with your buy position because we can clearly see that gold is bullish. Further upside is very much possible. And obviously, you need to trade your stop loss also because today is Friday. We cannot forget it. Fridays, okay, can be dangerous, especially during the US session. In the last couple of months, especially in the month of November, October, we saw that Fridays were crazy. Nothing was working during the US session. So be careful. If nothing works, if you see the technicals are not working, you are unable to find any logic as a trader, then please stop trading and spend time with your friends and family, because as a trader you don't need to trade on each and every session. You only need to trade when you understand the market. Okay, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. And if you look at the economic calendar, then yeah, we also have news coming up. Not a major event that can change the direction of the market, but it's Friday. Many traders will be booking their profits and will be going home. So there will be spikes in the market. So please be careful, especially beginners and traders with low capital. Okay. And if you look at a chart of gold right now, then obviously you can clearly see the market is bullish. So respecting the ongoing trend of the market here, buying at dip or buy at support or retracement is the best trading strategy. So in this chart, try to avoid any sell position, because if you take a sell also, and for example, we have a resistance around 2790. Okay, if you take a sell also, do not expect that there will be a complete trend reversal of $100-200 though. Okay, usually what we see is that whenever market sentiment is bullish, so at the resistance, you will get a selling opportunity, but it cannot be a trend reversal kind of one. Okay, maybe we'll just see some few small red candles. After that, market will be going up again. So the resistances are weaker, or the sell opportunities are temporary in a bullish market. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So in this market condition, as I said, okay, buying at support or dip will be the best trading strategy here. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue with your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, it will be better for you to buy at support or retracement only. So during the day, if market comes down for retracement, the first level will be 2760, around 2760. It can be 276158 also, because these levels, okay, they work as zones in the market and it's a decentralized market. Maybe it is 2760 in my chart and it will be 2761 in your chart, 2759 in your friend's chart. Okay, so when market will enter 276 area, okay, just observe the market. Once you will see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position 2760. Why we are considering 2760? Because simple price action here. Okay, we can clearly see the previous resistance will be working as support, and so far we have seen that price action is doing a fine job. Yesterday also we got a nice buy around 2735. And if market shows deeper correction, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market is standing at 2760 with a big red candle, then obviously we need to use our common sense and we need to avoid buy, isn't it? Then our second buying opportunity will be around 2751, 2750. The first reason is 2750 is a round number. It's a psychological support. And moreover, if we draw FIBO, okay, though FIBO is not doing a fine job like earlier, but we can still see around 2750, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, the previous resistance will also be working as support. So we have multiple reasons to believe 2750 will be a support for us. So from the current level, if market comes for retracement, then 2760, 2761 is the first support, and then we have the second support on 275051. And during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden crash in the market, then just avoid trading. Okay, next week will be better. And my dear friends, अगर आप लोग हिंदी वीडियोस की तलाश में हैं सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग मेरा एक हिंदी नॉट मेरा एक्चुअली मेरी वाइफ का एक हिंदी चैनल है ओके जहाँ पे वो रेगुलर वीडियोस पोस्ट करती है आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में मिल जाएगा सो अगर आपको हिंदी में वीडियोस देखना पसंद है तो फील फ्री टू चेक आउट तो चलिए देखते हैं गोल्ड में और क्या चल रहा है सो इफ मार्केट डजंट कम फॉर रिट्रेसमेंट okay because many times we see the market doesn't come for retracement isn't it so if market doesn't come for retracement then okay obviously buying at breakout is the only option for us so already gold has made a high of 2777 so we can look for a buy above 2779 so during the day if it's after consolidation market is going up again then we can look for a buy above 2779 and now we can expect that there will be some consolidation because earlier also we have discussed for breakout consolidation is important without consolidation it can be a false breakout so 2779 okay if market breaks the level with a big green candle or something like that we can go for a buy but one thing I would like to mention here again that if you're not comfortable buying at breakout for example if you see that market is going up with small candles and if you are not convinced enough then just leave it the same level will be working as the new support later on after some time when market coming down and this will be the new support okay then you can buy here because market will be going up like this okay and if you're wondering where is the resistance then obviously around 2790 okay 2790 we have the resistance but as I have already said 2790 may be the resistance but if the market is very bullish do not expect a complete trend reversal or something like that as a day trader okay as a day trader we can look for a 50 to 60 pips target but do not look for a complete trend reversal of permanently no market sentiment is above all okay if market is bullish because of ongoing fundamentals then obviously okay the resistances are weaker in comparison to supports especially in a trending market for example it's if a market is very bullish every support works if a market is bearish every resistance works so if you're planning to take a sell around 2790 yes you can go for a sell if you see prices action from above but do not take a sell and forget okay take a sell but be careful and my dear friends if we look at the economic not economic candle this is the options chart okay we can see on option chain here okay the number of contracts are reducing yeah because till yesterday I guess okay we had more than 8,000 contracts here now I can see there's a reduction of more than 1,000 contracts so the resistance at 2800 is also slowly coming down so previously I was hoping that it was not possible for the market to break 2800 in the month of January to be honest okay but now it seems that okay after some resistance there is a possibility that market may break 2800 as well if the number of contracts reduces further then the resistance around 2800 will be gone okay so let's wait and watch today is Friday be careful again okay again I'm repeating do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital if you're new to the market you are confused regarding brokers because brokers are very important not for placing orders but they do a hell lot of stuff okay so if you're looking for a good regulated broker you can go to my website the link will be in the description if you're confused because I have mentioned many options here just fill this form okay बस ये form का fill up कर दीजिए okay I will recommend the best broker for you as per your trading style okay so that's all from my side my dear friends thank you so much bye bye take care see you tomorrow